grab your yoga mat. Let's start some yoga.
Hello guys, my name is Alena and I am from Ukraine. Join me for a morning yoga routine that will leave you feeling energized and ready to take on the day. In this video, I'd guide you through a series of splits yoga poses that will stretch your muscles and improve your flexibility. This home workout is perfect for anyone looking to start their day off with a peaceful and invigorating yoga practice. So grab your yoga mat, press play, and let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness content. I love home workouts and sports. These things are best for the mind, body and soul. And I want to be a part of the awesome YouTube family to give viewers great workout tips. Your support will help me achieve my channel's goals of creating more video content that will motivate people to exercise and live a healthy lifestyle, improve production quality, and develop a variety of useful and educational YouTube content for you.